Welcome back to Everyday English for Business.
This podcast is for you if you're an intermediate or advanced English learner. You know the grammar, you know the vocabulary, but you want to close the gap between textbook English and speaking confidently in real business situations.
Today's phrase helps you do exactly that. We're talking about something we've all done, forgetting to do something important at work.
So, have you ever dropped the ball?
Unfortunately, yes. A few years ago, after a big client pitch, I was supposed to send a follow-up proposal. I got busy, distracted by other deadlines, and completely forgot.
That's a classic situation. And we start with the story because your brain learns language best in context, not from memorizing lists. When there's emotion or pressure attached to a phrase, you remember it.
Exactly. And the emotion I felt was panic. The client emailed my manager a week later. I had clearly dropped the ball. I apologized professionally, sent the proposal immediately, and took ownership of the mistake.
And that's today's phrase, drop the ball. We're not just defining it, we're giving you a career-ready tool you can use immediately.
Let's make sure you can say the phrase naturally. Drop the ball. Notice the rhythm. Drop the ball. The word the becomes soft and quick, almost like the.
Repeat with us. I dropped the ball. He dropped the ball, but he fixed it.
Saying it out loud builds muscle memory, so you don't freeze up under pressure.
Now, let's talk about how to use this in a job interview. A common question is, tell me about a time you made a mistake.
Here's a strong answer using today's expression or idiom. I once dropped the ball by missing a key follow-up with a vendor. The moment I realized it, I took full ownership. I contacted them, apologized for the delay, and created a new checklist system so it wouldn't happen again. It was a valuable lesson in accountability.
That answer works because it follows a powerful structure. Own it, fix it, learn from it. And that's exactly what hiring managers want to hear.
Let's talk about cultural expectations. In many Western business environments, hiding a mistake is worse than making one.
Saying, I dropped the ball and here's how I fixed it, shows maturity, leadership, and trustworthiness. It turns failure into value.
Professionals who take responsibility and act are remembered for the right reasons.
Your challenge today is simple. Use the formula. Own it, fix it, learn from it.
Think of a small mistake you've made and say or write 2 sentences. I dropped the ball when I
fixed it by and learned that.
This isn't just grammar practice, it's preparing for a real interview, team check-in, or client conversation.
Want more phrases like this? Grab our guide, Behavioral Interview Power. Impress employers in business.
You'll get sample answers, essential idioms, and audio you can practice with. Links in the show notes.
Next time, we'll break down the phrase, pull your weight. How to show you're a strong team player without sounding arrogant.
Thanks for listening to Everyday English for Business. We're here to help you bridge the fluency gap.
Keep practicing, keep growing.
And remember, if you drop the ball, own it, fix it, and bounce back stronger.